Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can send Bitcoin from our Binance account to another Bitcoin wallet. So for that you need to open up your Binance account, and after that go to your wallet and go to your fiat and spot wallet. After that scroll down a little bit and then select this option of Bitcoin. Over here you need to click on this option of withdraw. After that, copy the address of Bitcoin wallet that you want to send your Bitcoin to. So you will be getting that Bitcoin address from your another wallet. Just copy paste over here, and after that network will be selected on its own after you copy paste the address, and then you would be able to select the amount that you want to withdraw and just click on withdraw. And that's how easy it is to send Bitcoin from Binance to Bitcoin wallet. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.